Previously on Backyard
Now
Bro.
it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna set up the cart and I'm gonna actually drop it on the cart. I have to figure this out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're actually gonna drop the body onto this cart and see if it works. Hey friends, welcome to another episode of the Backyard Bronco. Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Backyard Bronco. Thanks for joining. My name's Carlos, this is Boyo, Penny, and Gizmo, and there's another plane on top of us. I'm sorry, all these planes. I know, huh, Boyo? I know, huh, buddy? I know, so many planes. No, why are you trying to bite me? He's a puppy. Anyways, for those of you who are new to this channel, this show is basically about us trying to build this Bronco from the ground up. I'm just messing around. This is my dream. It's gonna be my journey and my learning experience. Now that I put the dogs away, now I could, record. It's sort of impossible sometimes with them jumping around everywhere. What I did was I separated the body in the frame, obviously. Frame's over there, body's over here. So this is what I got going on right now. Right now the body is actually sitting on this 4x4, well, the front part of the body. I'm actually gonna put the body onto this frame. It took me a while to figure it out how to get the body off of the 4x4. I got the back side off. Now this side I need to do right now. Hey guys, now that I thought this through, I'm gonna bring the jack over here, raise this up, place the cart, and then drop it on top of the cart. I wanted to do the back side first, but it's fine. Cool. Take that back, folks. I'm actually gonna drop the rear first. So let's go over there and let's do that first. So this is the cart. I'm gonna center it real quick. I'm gonna lift it. I'm gonna put the jack right under it. I'm gonna pick up the cart, take off the jack stands, and then drop the cart. That's how I'm gonna do this part. So let's do this. Now it's time to drop it little by little. Okay, and just want to let you guys know I love this jack from Harbor Freight. Use the coupons, it's not that price. It's like $70, but it's like awesome. It's like really smooth. Shameless plug, I'm sorry, but it works. So now the trick is to get this side off of the 4x4 and off of the jacks. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do it, guys. I'm actually gonna use two jacks. I'm gonna use this one and this old one that I actually found in an old storage shed that we had. It's old, but it should work. Shit. Shoot. Never mind. And that's Penny crying. She wants to come over here. But if I bring Penny, then Boyle gets sad, so. Okay, never mind. Plan B. When all else fails, bring the cherry picker, guys. Bring the cherry picker. Anyway, I just need to find a chain or something to loop this in and pick her up. Yeah, this will be too. No, I don't want to. That's the. I think it's like for the carburetor bracket. I don't know what it's called, but I think that's what it does, right? Your pedals. Yeah, this is the. Yeah, this is the pedal, the gas pedal. Step on the pedal. Something like that. So I found. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see. I found a bolt that could go on this on the other side, and I'm gonna just bolt it in, and then bolt in the chain from there. And hopefully it should work. So I got the bolt. I got the bolt through, and now we're just gonna chain like that, right? No, because we have to go this side. The chain goes in here. There we go. I don't know. I don't think one of these will break, right? What do you guys think? I don't think this will break. One chain should be strong enough. It's just for a couple seconds, guys. It worked. The hard part. I'm gonna let it go slowly. Okay, don't count my blessings yet. Okay. I'm sorry if I cussed. It worked! Yes, yes, yes! Guys, I finally got on a body cart that I made. I am so happy. No. Yeah! It works, guys! Woo! I'm so happy.